Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to do a quick review for you on this motion sensor light that you see behind me. This is my son's closet. What you see behind me here is just a curtain that I use to cover up his closet space, and there's no light in here. So wanted this motion sensor light so when he gets up in the morning or whatever, he opens up his curtain, that light will come on. And I think it's really cool. Would you see it's a sensor on the light, but it's not coming on right now because it typically only works, I believe it said, if when it detects complete darkness. Right now it's not dark, so the light's not coming on. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this curtain, and it should detect darkness in there, I think. Hopefully it's not too bright in the rest of the room. And then I'm gonna open this back up and it should come on. Nope, it's still too bright in the room, so just a second. Okay, so now you can see that as if it was in the morning time, it's dark in his room. I'm gonna wave my hand in front of the light. There you go, and it comes on now. So it was still a little too bright in the bedroom to work with just the curtain closed. So, but I turned the bedroom light off and then waved my hand in front of it, and it worked. So um, same thing would apply in the morning time. It'll see him pull the curtain open and then come on, and you can see all of his clothes and stuff. So I think it's a really good space for that, and it seems to work really good right now. So I'm really happy with it. It's a great price, and it does exactly what I need.